Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our Python programming playlist. In the previous videos, we learned what Python is, how to install the Visual Studio Code and Python in our system, and how to write our first Python program in Visual Studio Code. Today we are going to learn data types and variables. Data is the foundations of programming. So this is one of the most important topics in Python. So first of all, what is a variable? Now variable is like a container that stores some value. We use variable to store values so we can use them later in our program. So now we can see that how to create variable. Second program dot py. Remember that the Python file is ending with .py. That represents that this file is in Python form. So we can in the previous video we can print hello world. This will print the output. Now we kill the terminal and again run it. So you can see that hello world is printed. Now it is a time to create a variable. So I will assign now print Asad. This will print Asad in the terminal. You can see that hello world Asad. Now remove this. If I call name is equal to Asad, then print name. So this will also print Asad. As you can see that my name is stored in the variable named as name, and we want to print name as it is. So it will print the name. In this way I will create a variable age is equal to 21. So print age. Age 21. The best syntax of printing it is if I change it into name comma. Now you can see that comma is used to concatenate this with this name to this variable or container that store this value. So if I print and add age into this, so you can see that it is printed in a well formatted pattern name Asad age 21. So this is a variable. Now we want to check data types. Data types defines that what type of data stored in this container. We can check it by print type. Type is a built-in function used to check the data, what type of data is stored in the variable name. Now you can see that class string name Asad name variable contains string type of data. String means multiple alphabet contains in a single variable, multiple characters contains in a single variable. As it is, we can check print type of age. So you can see that age variable contains integer type of data. So this is our data types. So I will, if I marks is equal to 98.5. So I want to check which type of data contains in marks. variable. So marks masks. Now when we run it, it contains float type of data. So this, if I want to check that is pass is equal to true. Now I will check that data, what type of data stores in the is pass variable. Type of is pass. Now you can see that bool is a data types that contains two type of values, either true or sum. So this is a data types. Now we will start comment. What is a comment? In Python we use hash operator to comment. Comment is a comment is an important. So I comment this line into this is my name, and this line contains a variable named as name. So this line will print the data stored in the variable name. So this line will print the type of data stored in the variable name. So in this way you can write this. There is two types of comments in the Python. One type is single line comment. Single line comment are represented by a hash function, as it you can see. So there are multiple lines comment. We can also use multiple hash operators to comment multiple lines as well. So this is all for Python comments. Now we can also satisfy that how to name the variable and which cases are used to name the variable. The first case is all the small alphabet. Now the second case is our variable cannot start or initialize with integer, any integer 1, 2, 3. Our variable, we can also name the variable of multiple times. Just is pass. You can see that there are two words in it. One is and second is pass. We can write as it is, so as it, so we can pass. So these are some cases of naming the variables. You can see in this video, in this lecture we learned about Python variables and data types and comments. In the next lecture we will learn how to take input from user and how it interact with the users and how to display it. So this is all about Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.